In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make dice links on Monopoly Go. If you've ever wanted a simple way to earn extra rolls without grinding, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to generate and share your invite link so your friends can join and you can collect rewards. Start by opening the Monopoly Go app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're on the latest version so everything looks and works as expected. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the Friends button. It usually looks like a small group icon and it opens the Friends menu where all your social features live. Inside the Friends menu, switch over to the Add Friends tab. You may see multiple tabs across the top, so be sure you're on the one labeled for adding friends. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of that page and tap the Invite button. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It sits below the other friend options. Before you share anything, it helps to understand the rewards. Every time someone joins Monopoly Go, using your invite link, you earn free dice. Depending on the promotion running, that can be 70, 100, 200, or even 250 additional rolls, and you also receive a Mr. Monopoly token as a bonus. Rewards can vary, but the idea is the same. More friends joining through your link means more roles for you. Next, choose how you want to invite. The orange invite button will copy your personal link to your clipboard, and from there you can paste it into a text, an email, or share it directly through apps like Messenger or WhatsApp. If you prefer a more direct route, the blue Facebook invite button sends invitations straight to your Facebook friends, making it quick for them to join. Go ahead and share your link using the method that fits your audience best. A short message explaining that it's your Monopoly Go invite link can help friends recognize it and tap confidently. Once they accept and start playing, your free dice are credited automatically. If a friend says the link isn't opening, ask them to update the app and try again, or resend a fresh copy of your link. As your friends join, watch your dice count climb. Keep repeating the process to maximize your rolls and stack up those rewards. That's all there is to it. Open the app, head to Friends, switch to Add Friends, tap Invite, share your link, and enjoy the bonus rolls that come in. Happy rolling, and have fun building your Monopoly Go empire.